Hey, what's up everybody, and thank you for coming back to the channel, Go Tampa Bay Lightning. I haven't been around for a while because I was back in the States in Virginia, specifically rather in Portsmouth, Virginia. You can watch that video right here. I am now back in Okinawa, and a lot of people say, well, do you live on a military base? No, I don't live on a military base. I actually live off base. So how does that happen? We go to the housing agencies, or the housing agency on base, and they say, well, you're gonna need to live off housing. Here's what you get for an allowance, so and so and so, yada yada. So now your next step is to call a housing company in Okinawa. And there really wasn't a lot of inventory left, and a lot of people weren't calling me back, so actually through a friend got referred to Joy Housing. And we met a nice little lady named Alex. And today, what I wanted to show you is what type of house you can expect when you come to Okinawa and you get sent off base, or if you're a contractor or a GS employee and you need to live off base in Okinawa, you would probably call Joy Housing, and you would contact Alex or Yumi, and you would find a house. And this is a house right here behind me that is for rent. So this house is actually pretty cool. I just saw it for the first time, and now I'm gonna go inside. All right, so here we have Yumi.
Hi.
And here we have Alex.
Hi.
And my arms are super long, so I'm hitting them, but I don't mean to hit them. This house, and Alex and Yumi have the listing. This would be something like my off-base allowance allows me to rent a house. You would show me a property like this. So what would we do when we first call you? What do you set up?
So I'll ask you a couple questions like what area you want to live in, how many bedrooms you need, if you have pets, what your housing allowance is, and then we'll kind of put everything together and come up with a couple places we can show you.
Let me just mention, she mentioned on something very interesting. A lot of people bring their pets over. We brought El Smoko over from the United States, and there were some properties that we could not see because they did not allow dogs or cats or pets. So, Alex, so this is a living room, and this is, would you say, a traditionally Japanese house or more American style?
I'd say it's more American style. It's about 1,700 square feet, and it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house.
So you can see here it has a little area you can sit in, hang out in, get coffee in, and then we can go. Oh, there's outdoor storage. See?
Whoa.
Here we have basically the living room area, which is actually really big. I think it's bigger than my living room area, and then here you would have like a kitchen area. So here you would see the kitchen, dinette area where you would like eat breakfast and stuff. And then we have what everybody, here I am. Yeah, the light is really bad. And here we have the kitchen.
The stove is an American gas stove, a dishwasher, and it's a full-size American dishwasher, which is really hard to come around in Japan. It has a lot of storage space. Look at all that storage in there. Here we have the washer and dryer room. This is a Japanese dryer. It works pretty well.
What I really like about this house is the doors. The doors to like the bathroom, and the bathroom has the funky, now is that the Japanese seat with like plays music and heat and everything? Yeah.
But no music.
But no music, okay. So no music on this toilet, but that's okay. You can just play your iPhone. Doors are really cool, look at that. Look at that. Circles all the way down. Circles all the way down, all the way up. It's like bubbles. It's beautiful. And another thing I like about Okinawa houses and Japanese houses, they all have the sliding doors, which is really cool. So like right here, this door slides open, and it's really pretty, and yeah. They don't automatically open. It's not like going to Walmart. So then we have our bathroom. This is like the hall bath right here, and the tubs are super deep. Look at that. And all the floors have this drain, so like you can actually like get the floor wet and it'll just drain away right there. Okay, next up is Alex.
A nice little walk-in closet. Wait till you see the master.
It's pretty big. But just so you know, Alex is very nervous being on camera, but that's all right.
There's a nice ceiling fan to circulate in the room. Then you have a big walk-in closet here. Like,
This is pretty big. Look how big it is.
Hi.
I like the doors.
And then another fancy really good.
Does this open up like when you get near it or no? Oh, is that the controller? So that's the remote control for your toilet seat right there. That is ridiculous. So many buttons that you don't know what they do. So many surprises waiting to happen when you move into your new home and use the bathroom for the first time.
And the shower has been replaced with a very nice shower head, more American style.
Oh, that's what I have. So one thing that you have to know about Okinawa is it gets really, really humid here. And so you need a dehumidifier. And so some of the AC units have them built in. Mine does, but I suggest if you move here, you get a different one, like a stand-up unit, because mold will grow if you don't have these dehumidifiers activated. So this house actually does have a dehumidifier, and that will prevent mold from building up, and it'll also keep the air less saturated from heat. So when you get to Okinawa, if you're a contractor or if you are military, you want to call a housing company, you want to call Joy Housing, who I went with, not paid or endorsed by any stretch of the imagination, but I felt like they had the best service, and Alex took care of us, and Yumi is also there to take care of you. Joy Housing found us a place out in Yomitan. There were places closer to base, but we like living in the country because we're hillbillies, and we also like the peace and quiet. That's one of the ways you can get a house here in Okinawa, and that's one of the ways that we were able to rent a house off base. If you have questions about anything that I've done in this very short video, please leave a comment below and I will get right back to you. So that's it. That's how you rent a house or live off base in a house in Okinawa, and that's how we did it. Thanks for watching again, everybody. If you know anybody active duty spouse or active duty military, give them a hug or handshake because it ain't easy. I'll see you next video, and remember, if you have any questions whatsoever about renting a house in Okinawa or how to go about it, or if you just got orders here, leave a comment below and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video.